Hello mga ka-Pisces people. Okay, if your zodiac sign is a Pisces, then this reading is for you. Okay, so life update lang to Pisces. So pag sinabi natin life update, this is a general reading for you. So if it resonates, then this will be your reading. Okay, so pag life update natin, it goes around. So anything under the sun could be about love, career, health, anything, no? So, kung anong message ay ibigay sa atin ng universe, and that will be the message I will relay for you, Pisces. So, are you ready, Pisces? So, let's start. First card, you have the Nine of Wands. Mukhang palaban ka this year, Pisces. Mukhang palaban ka. Sino lalabanan mo? Okay, may kalaban ka ba? Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay, if it's a success, mukhang palaban ka, Pisces. It's a success. Ano kaya to? Ay, no-wonder din ako. Ano kaya? Okay. Two of Cups. Okay. Ano? Pinaglalaban ka ba when it comes to love? It will be success daw. Love ba to? Let's have another cards pa to clarify things. Three of Cups. Mukhang relationship na to. Pero, I could not say it's romantic lang. More on like friendship to. As I could see, ha? Pero meron kasi nga dito, Two of Cups. So, let's find out. Death of Reverse. Okay. It's a new beginning for you this year, Pisces. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Now I see. Three of Swords. Okay, last one card for this. Okay, nakikita ko na. Medyo clear na yung reading or yung message na pinaparating sa iyo ni universe. Okay, nakikita ko na. So, Pisces, Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Pisces. Okay. Mukhang malaki ang pinagdaanan mo when it comes to relationship, Pisces. So, what I could say is, this year, dahil malaki ang pinagdaanan mo, no? I don't know kailan yung malaking pinagdaanan mo. It could be last year or last year pa. Pero this year, masasabi ko, you are finally parang, ano ka na, moved on. Kumbaga. Finally. Kumbaga. Hindi ko masabing last year lang to nangyari sa'yo. Pwedeng matagal na, pero ngayong taon ka pa lang talaga masasabi mo na finally, move on na ako sa kanya. Okay, move on ka na sa kanya. Okay? I could see it's a relationship. Yes. You're happy now from where you at right now. It could be you're happy with your friends you have right now. For sure, I could see this is a girl group, no? So, pwedeng ikaw na babae na nakikinig ngayon. Okay? You're happy with the companion that you have with your friends right now. You finally let go of the things you have before. Na-let go mo na siya. Okay? And as I could see here, sige, ito na sasabihin ko na sa'yo. As you finally moved on, there is, okay? There is a new person, may bagong tao na darating sa buhay mo. And he is a Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so meaning it's an earth sign, water sign, okay, Pisces. Isang earth sign ang bagong darating sa buhay mo. And this one is you're the one. Okay, Pisces, this person is you're the one. But again, hindi ko mapapromise na this year, magiging kayo na. But I could see, probably this year, dahil nga nakapag-let go ka na, hindi rin naman kasi itong pinaprioritize mo this year. Hindi naman din love life. Though nakikita ko dito may darating sa life mo. Pero hindi agad-agad kayo magiging kayo. I mean, hindi agad-agad magkakaroon kayo ng relationship as a romantic partner. Kasi nga, this is a Knight of Pentacles. So, medyo matagal. Okay, pwedeng... Pero kasi Year of the Horse ngayon eh. Okay? And we have the horse here. Pwedeng ngayong taon magkita kayo or makilala mo siya. Nakikita ko dito, Pisces, pwedeng Year of the Horse, dahil Year of the Horse ngayon, possible, ngayong Year of the Horse mo makilala yung magiging partner mo, yung magiging bago mong partner. But, take things, step by step, no? One at a time. Huwag niyong madaliin. Kasi itong person din na darating sa'yo, hindi rin naman siya nagmamadali. Oo. Yes. Hindi siya. So, take time, no? Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi kanya mamadaliin, hindi kanya, basta ibang-iba siya doon sa dati mo. Kasi yung dati mong partner, it's a water sign. Water sign din natin yung dati mong partner. Or could be air sign, sorry. Pwede ding air sign. So, pwede yung ex mo is Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or pwede ding water sign. Pwedeng Pisces din, kamukha mo. Pwedeng Scorpio or Cancer. Pero yung nakalaan para sa'yo, it's an earth sign. A Virgo, Capricorn, or a Taurus. Ay, wow. Okay, pero nakikita ko dahil may year of the horse ngayon. I think this year of the horse, pwedeng magkakilala kayo or mag-meet kayo sa isang place na nandun din siya. Possible na hindi pa talaga maging magkakilala kayo. Pero possible na nagkatagpo na kayo this year. Magkakatagpo kayo. Okay? Tapos pag nagkita kayo ulit for the second time, parang, oh, parang nakita kita before. Parang ganon. In scenario. Or pwede din naman, isang year of the horse ang partner mo. So, ito na ha. Kapag yung darating sa yung tao is year of the horse siya at isa siyang earth sign, that is a sign na siya na yung the one mo. Year of the horse and earth sign. That is your the one. Pisces. Love life ba itong tinatanong niya? Okay, wait lang. Mayroon pang isa. Nine of Pentacles. Oh, wow. Stable na tong taong to. At magiging stable yung relationship mo sa kanya. Gaganda ka lalo sa kanya. Oo. Ay, prinsesa ka niya. Ano ba yan? Prinsesa ka niya. Oo. Prinsesa ka. Isa kang prinsesa sa kanya. And you're building something with this person. Okay, it could be a house or a marriage. I could sense as well. Okay, so he's prepared. Huwag ka mag-alala. Push mo daw yan. So kung dumating to sa buhay mo, tingnan mo, 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, 9. So possible, on the 9th year, Bakit 9th year? On the 9th month or day, makilala mo tong taong to. Kasi 9, so possible September. Baka September kayo di ba September, it's a Virgo pa din. Around September, hanggang September 22, I think Virgo pa yun. Wow, tapos Virgo siya. Pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng pupunta ka sa party, and then he was there because birthday niya. Sinama ka ng friend mo. Parang ganun. Ganda. Tapos ikaw, no, nakabase ka ng maganda, you are well, push mo daw talaga yan. Okay. Maganda. Maganda yung nakikita ko sa inyo. Okay. Okay, the Hermit. Bakit mo ba si the Hermit? Okay. Ang galing mo. 9 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, and 9 din si the Hermit. Triple 9. There's an ending talaga mangyayari. Ang pinakikita lang sa akin dito dahil puro 9, there is a need of ending for it to have a new beginning. Kasi hanggat walang natatapos, walang mauumpisahan na panibago. Hanggat walang pagbabago, walang panibago. Diba? So, ibig sabihin dito, Pisces, you need to end something muna this year for it to happen. Okay, and I could see naman na you are ending it naman. So, finally, move on ka na, Pisces. That's a very good thing sa reading mo. Okay, so let's have a final message for you this year. The Mystic Rose. Compassion, devotion, humility, humanity, and grace. Compassion to yourself, to other people. Okay. Devotion. Still be humble. Have that grace in life, no? Pero dito, may grace pa din siya. After everything you've been through in life, you still need to be, Pero, dahil mo si the Hermit, again, syempre, nasa Hermit mode ka na in a way like, para bang ayaw mo na masaktan ulit. So, careful ka na. And that's okay. Don't worry, that person na the one mo, he knows it, no? You don't need to, he will not force anything to you. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. I hope you like it and it resonates to you. If you want to be updated with the other videos or mga life updates na darating pa in the next readings, you can subscribe to my channel, like the videos, so you can be updated for everything I will be posting. So thank you for listening, Pisces. See ya!